Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another canvas DIY, and I found these canvases at Goodwill, and when I saw them I knew that they would go perfect with my plant wall that I have in my sunroom, where I have my plants and my cactuses and my succulents. And I did that video a few weeks back, but today I want to show you how I enhance the canvases to fitting with the decor for that wall. So come on in, guys, and let me show you how I did this quick and easy DIY. So I'm using black acrylic paint, a real thin, small paintbrush that can line or trace for this project. That's what I'm using, as well as this clear Gorilla Glue and yarn. And then of course I'm going to use my tweezers, scissors, and then I'm going to use this glue, a residue eraser. I may need it, I may not. But the first thing I did was just took my paintbrush and I trimmed the lines on here that are gold. Now this is a step that I could have skipped if it was the right color, but because they were gold, I wanted it to be black, and that is to fit the decor in the room that I'm hanging them in. And here I finished both of them, retracing them with the black paint. And as you can see here, the line doesn't have to be perfect, but as neat as possible, so my hands was steady enough to do that. But next step would be to take the glue, and then I'm gonna just glue on the yarn. And this is to give it a 3D feel and to have texture on the canvas. And basically this is what I'm doing here. So once I finished applying the yarn there with the clear Gorilla Glue, although it is clear, I had a little residue around there. So that's where I got the eraser, and then I just went around it to remove that. And I got this eraser from the Dollar Tree, and it came in handy for this project. So here it is, I'm finished them, and I thought it came out pretty good. This is a quick and simple way to enhance these canvases for this area where I'm putting them. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so you can get future notifications on all of my videos. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was inspiring and gave you ideas to spruce up some maybe canvases or old things you have around your home as well. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.